In this video, I'm breaking down how to build simple concrete forms for a small slab or footing, so you can get that job done right without any fuss. Alright, so first off you gotta pick the right materials. Usually people go with straight wooden boards like 2x4s, because they're sturdy and easy to work with. Start by measuring the exact size of your slab or footing. Getting those measurements right is super important because your concrete has to fit perfectly in the form. Then, cut your boards to size using a saw. Don't rush this part since clean cuts make everything line up better. Next, hammer or screw the boards together at the corners to create a box shape that holds the concrete. Make sure the form is level by placing it on flat ground and checking with a level tool. If it's off, your slab won't be even, and that's a big deal. You can add stakes outside the form to keep it from moving when you pour the concrete. Before pouring, spray or brush on some form release oil. This is key so the wood doesn't suck up moisture and your concrete doesn't stick to the boards. Finally, double check your form is stable and square, so when you pour the concrete, it sets perfectly without any leaks or bulges. One of the biggest mistakes I see is using warped or weak wood that bends under pressure, which messes up the shape and can cause cracks later. Another common slip-up is not leveling the form properly, so your slab ends up slanting, and that's a pain when you're trying to build on top of it. Also, forgetting to oil the inside of the forms makes pulling them off a nightmare, sometimes damaging your slab's edges. Just don't skip that step, seriously. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome, because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle projects like these. And if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid platform to connect with homeowners who need your skills, making everything way easier on both sides.